Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the OR gate using transistor. So let us see the components required. We need a breadboard, some connecting wires, two BC547 NPN transistor, one LED, one 1 kilo ohm resistor, two 10 kilo ohm resistor, some push button, breadboard and the battery. So let us start the connections. So first of all, we will place the transistors on the breadboard. Then take a 10 kilo ohm resistor and connect to the base of each transistor. And other terminal of the resistor will be connected to the push button. So place the push button on the breadboard and connect one pin of the push button to the 10 kilo ohm resistor. Same here, place the push button . Now take a 10 kilo ohm resistor, connect its one terminal. This side. Okay. Now I will take a 10 kilo ohm resistor and connect its other terminal to the push button pin. We will short the emitters of the transistors. And then take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it to any one of the emitter of the transistor. Connect the other terminal to the positive of the LED. So take a LED, connect its the positive terminal to the 1 kilo ohm resistor and a negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. We have connected. Now we will short the collectors of the transistors. And similarly, we will short the push button pins that are diagonally opposite to the pin connected to the 10 k ohm resistor. So here this is the diagonally opposite pin and here this is the diagonally opposite pin. So we will short these two pins and then take a wire and connect any one of the push button pin to the positive rail and any one of the collector pin to the positive rail. So our connection is completed. Now we will connect the battery. So here when any one of the button is pressed or both the buttons are pressed, the LED turns on.